Hi mga mi! Samahan niyo kami ngayon na lumipad to Manila. Finally, uuwi tayo ng Pilipinas. So we're flying Porter Airlines from Pearson Airport to Vancouver International Airport. Then, from Vancouver, lilipad naman tayo to Manila through Philippine Airlines. So we arrived Vancouver International Airport at around 12 midnight. So we have 3 hours layover for our next flight. At ayun na nga mga mi, na-cancel yung flight namin due to aircraft maintenance. So I need to find a way to reroute our flight. Dito nag-antay kami for boarding from Vancouver to San Francisco. This is the advantage of flying a standby. Pwede mong paglaruan ang booking mo. And yes, we arrived at San Francisco. So pagdating ng San Francisco, pumunta kami sa mga counter and ask kung anong flight going to Manila. So we found United Airlines from San Fo to Taipei. And now it's boarding time. So dumating kami sa Taiwan International Airport at around 7:24 p.m. and we only have 2 hours para pick upin yung bag namin at i-check-in again.
Hindi ka kinukuhanan. O yan.
Holy shit!
And yes mga mi, we made it and we got our seats. Now, heading to the boarding gate. Ang ganda pala ng airport ng Taiwan. You see that Sanrio store right there. Kung meron lang extra time na po, gagala ako doon. At finally mga mi, boarding time. It will be a 2 hours flight. Konting kembot na lang. Nasa Manila na kami. Yay! Ang may Pilipinas na mga mi! Nakarating din pagkatapos ng lahat ng pinagdaanan, nakauwi din. Welcome to Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 1. And finally, almost home. Thank you for watching. Till our next one.